favorite things about where I live is that we're a short drive to all kinds of outdoor activities. Berry picking is an annual summer tradition, and blueberry picking is my favorite. So today we headed out to the farm and went berry picking super early in the morning. We ended up picking 19 pounds of blueberries. The bushes were so full of ripe berries, and we were barely at the farm for an hour before our buckets were full. Today I wanted to share a little glimpse of a summer morning at my house. We definitely don't go berry picking every day, but I do try to get outside every morning to soak up some summer sunshine before it gets too hot. I like to spread my weekly chores throughout the week, so today I had some laundry to fold and did a little mopping. If you happen to be new here today, I'm so glad you stopped by. My name is Sara, and I share videos about cleaning, organizing, and homemaking. If you like what you see, be sure to check out some of my other videos and playlists. I usually wash and freeze most of the blueberries we pick. I put them into gallon freezer bags and store them in the freezer in the basement where they won't tempt us until the winter time. One of my favorite things is blueberry pancakes in the winter. It's a little taste of summer when it's so cold outside. I usually dry the blueberries before freezing them because it prevents them from sticking together in the freezer bag, and then we can pour out just the amount we need. Our garden is also producing some fruit and veggies this time of year. My cucumber plant is thriving, and we get a few cherry tomatoes every day. We have this massive fig tree in our backyard. It's only about 8 or 9 years old, but they grow really fast. We usually get 2 harvests of figs, one in July, a small one, and then again in September there's a larger harvest. I'm hoping that I can pick enough to make fig jam this year. I wanted to make something with the garden cucumber, so I made some lunch. I couldn't believe that this was all the hummus left in the container. Food goes so fast in our house. My daughter is growing so fast and has a huge appetite to match. I like to make sandwiches for lunch. I'll put any veggies in that we have, just thinly slice them. And my favorite place to enjoy lunch is outside on the deck. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!